Your Grand Island, Hastings, and Kearney local forecast with meteorologist Kit Kloinger.
Severe weather around much of Nebraska right now, although our main population centers are mostly in the clear at this moment. Lincoln had some severe weather moving through the Tri-Cities. Kearney has seen severe hail come through earlier, but now things are starting to clear up just a little bit, although that severe thunderstorm warning is still active. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Local 4 studios there in the top left. We have seen some pea-size hail around the area up to penny-size hail. Grand Island the same as well. Temperatures have fallen quite a bit over the past several hours today. Kearney coming right now in at 32 degrees, right at freezing, so we might see some of the rain that fell with that storm begin to freeze as well. Tri-Cities here in Grand Island and Hastings just above the freezing mark, and still 50 degrees in Marysville in northeastern Kansas. We still have an enhanced risk, a level 1 out of 5, or excuse me, a level 3 out of 5 risk for much of southeastern Nebraska, although most of the area has already begun to see that severe weather, so this is already verifying. Satellite and radar, the very wide view. Blizzard conditions beginning off towards our west, but it's this ring around this dry air coming through southeastern Nebraska where we've had some severe thunderstorm warnings. Let's zoom in now. We have a few new ones and some also canceled. So Buffalo County has been canceled now, but just to its south in Minden and Kearney County and into Franklin County. This is a new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued just in the break until 11 o'clock p.m. tonight. This is for hail that could be over 1 inch in size and winds over 60 miles per hour. So this is just towards the north and west corner of Franklin County. So the extreme northwest part of Franklin County is where we're seeing it right now. This will move through Hildreth into the Minden area in central Kearney County. So that will continue over the next 45 minutes here. The severe thunderstorm warning in Buffalo County has been canceled, but still some heavy rain in northeastern Buffalo County heading towards the northwest. Phillips County also under severe thunderstorm warning until 10:30 tonight. We'll continue to see that progress towards the north and east around 40 miles per hour. Most of these storms are moving fairly quickly at 40 miles per hour. So Long Island in northwestern Phillips County seeing that severe thunderstorm. Holdridge in Phelps County also under severe thunderstorm. If we could get the expiration on that, I believe it is around 10:30, but this is for ping pong, 2 golf ball size hail as well. So Hastings around this area, Roseland and southwestern Adams County, we see a batch of some heavy rain right now moving through. This will continue into Hall County and possibly through the Donovan Wood River area over the next 45 minutes. Severe thunderstorm watch continues until 1 a.m. That's the area shaded in pink. The orange is the severe thunderstorm warnings. But now for the winter side of this, I'm going to send it back over to Tim Jones. Tim, let's talk about the severe. Let's quit talking about the severe and talk about the winter side.
Yeah, and I think that radar that you showed just a few slides ago, Kit, told the whole story. Here in the south central part of the state, we've got severe thunderstorm warnings, large hail, and even some strong winds, and just about 50 to 100 miles to the west and northwest. Obviously, we're dealing with blizzard conditions and snow. And in that transition area, we even also have freezing rain in there as well. So here's a look at that winter weather alerts. The orange counties are the blizzard warnings that extend all the way until Friday early morning, 1 o'clock in the morning, and then those counties in purple, we still have the impacts from the wind. Those are winter weather advisories, but not quite the impacts in terms of snow. So once again, the Tri-Cities right on the line of the heaviest snow, with looking at getting a little less. Once again, here's the radar picture, and this tells the whole story. Look in the central and the east. We already have this transition zone underway here in the central part of the state, just around Kearney. We're starting to see this transition from snow in the northern sections of Buffalo County. Just to the south, 50 miles, we've got severe weather moving up into that area, and of course way off to the west and the northwest, widespread snow. Right now the wind's starting to pick up. We're seeing wind gusts in excess of 30, even 40 miles per hour, even in Broken Bow, one of the spots that's traditionally very windy in the area, and of course those visibilities coming down as well. Let's take a look at Futurecast. There's the rain moving out, the snow moving in, the winds picking up as well, and notice as we get to the overnight time frame just before daybreak, break, that's when the snow looks to impact us. So that morning commute could be impactful. Then dry air comes into the picture rather as that area of low pressure moves in northwest Iowa and the snow moves out as well. Well, once again, how much snow are we looking at? The most amounts in the southwestern part of South Dakota and the extreme northern parts of Nebraska as we transition through Broken Bow in that 4 to 6 inch range, moving to the south and southeast from McCook up to Norfolk. We're looking at about 2 to 4 in Kearney and Grand Island, and the 1 to 2. And then as you move south towards, say, Webster County, Franklin counties, Adams counties, we're looking at about an inch or less. And that includes as you move to the south and east into northern Kansas.